Fleets by nature are dynamic. They're constantly on the move, whether you have vehicles or equipment. So we want to make sure that Fleetio moves with your personnel and allows them to update relevant information, to find details that they need wherever they happen to be. A lot of solutions that we hear about from our prospects are paper inspection forms. Really the biggest question is, what do you do if there is a problem? Communicating that, maybe a text message, it may be a handoff of that piece of paper, but Fleetio provides a just-in-time experience. So that inspection automatically shows up. It triggers workflows and allows everybody to do their job in a more effective manner. We have our mobile app, which is called Fleetio Go. It's great for folks to be able to log problems, to do inspections, and everything you'd really want to do ideally in the field. You get to see all of your data in one place, being able to see exactly what needs your attention, being able to track the responsibilities that you have day to day, and then tracking the outcomes of those tasks to see how you can improve going forward. Collaboration is really a foundation of how we position Fleetio in the market. We want to make it very easy for your entire team to know what their responsibilities are and see exactly how they're tracking against those. We make it super easy with reminders, with notifications. You could mention your own coworkers so they're alerted just in time whenever there's a need and something arises that needs their attention. So automation really drives a lot in Fleetio. We've expanded our app directory to include a lot of different partners that you can bring to the table and have that automatically update Fleetio with expenses, with vehicle-related data, and all the things that you would need to really take the human effort out of managing the day-to-day input of data. So really it's about making better decisions because you can step back and you can see the data versus having to get in the weeds and input that information. We think Fleetio is the best fleet management solution because it really places a high importance on data and the quality of data. We want you to be able to make better decisions and have confidence in those decisions.